Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the fade in fade out audio option for your videos in CapCut. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Now you have to select one of your projects, or if you want to have a new one or start a new one, click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery one of your videos that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now you can see that I have an audio file added. And if I click on it, you can see on the bottom of the screen the second option is fade. So you have to click on it, and now you can see that there is the fade in and fade out option. So the fade in for the start of the video and the fade out for the end of it, and you can adjust it. And when you are done, click on that check mark icon on the bottom of the screen and you will be all set. So this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.